You buy a new pair of shoes, and they appear on your doorstep. Simple, right? But behind the scenes, that delivery takes a much more complex journey. Let's take a look at what can happen. It starts with a stitch in a factory overseas. From there, your shoes are boxed, loaded into a container, and shipped across international waters. Along the way, there are things that can go wrong. Shifting trade policies, conflict zones, and political unrest can cause vessels to be rerouted. A logistics platform could be affected by a cyber attack. There may be threats like cargo theft or piracy, or challenges caused by poor container handling infrastructure. Sometimes, the cargo might even change ships mid-journey, adding another layer of handling, and another chance for something to go amiss. No two journeys are the same. Eventually, the vessel reaches Australia. The container is unloaded, and your shoes are placed on a truck on their way to a depot. But floods, bushfires, and cyclones can force detours, adding distance, fuel costs, and fatigue risks. That's why we work closely with freight customers and partners around the country to plan for disruption, reduce risk, and respond quickly when the unexpected happens. Your shoes then travel by truck from the depot to a retailer, and this final stretch can bring its own challenges: breakdowns, delays, even theft. In the end, your shoes arrive at the retailer. They're packed, posted, and finally land on your doorstep. Or do they? Last mile delivery brings its own complications, with parcel theft emerging as a significant concern in Australia. By this point, if your shoes make it past this final hurdle, they've passed through countless hands and systems, each one playing a part in getting them to you. One pair of shoes, thousands of kilometres, a world of complexity. At NTI, supporting the network that makes it all possible is what we do, so you can stay focused on what you do.